Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix bank that isn't listed in Rocket Money. So if you can't find your bank or credit union when trying to link an account in Rocket Money, just here, right? It may not be supported by Rocket Money's connection provider, so it may be listed under a different name. So before assuming it's available, try searching for alternate names and checking your bank's online banking credentials. So actually, guys, to search for the alternate bank names, you all need to know that many financial institutions appear under a parent company or official banking name rather than their brand name. So when searching, try the bank's full legal name, searching using common abbreviations, search without punctuation or special characters, and if you are using a regional branch, try the national association's name instead. Also, guys, you will need to verify that you are using the online banking. So the Rocket Money can only connect to associations that support online banking. So before adding the accounts, confirm you can sign in to your bank's online banking website and make sure the online access has been activated, and verify your username and password work outside of the Rocket Money. Also, guys, you will need to check for the connection limitations. So a bank may not appear if it isn't currently supported by Rocket Money data providers. The association has temporarily disabled third-party connections, and the financial institution is undergoing maintenance or connection updates. So actually, guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.